Hello friends, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today I want to show how to change the blade in the Cricut machine. If you use your Cricut frequently, you may find that fine point blade becomes dull over time and your cuts are not crisp anymore. It's time to change the blade. I decided to make this video because I struggled with this myself. I have wasted a lot of time and money looking for solution. So I will share my secrets with you. First of all, you don't need to buy a new blade housing. Just buy a set of blades. Also, to save money, you don't need to buy a blade from a brand. I found a set of 40 blades on Amazon for a low price, and I don't notice much difference in quality, so I can surely recommend it. Replacing the blade is a simple process that can be done in just a minute. Here's how to do it. Remove the blade housing from your Cricut. Gently push the pin on the top of the housing and carefully put out the blade from the bottom. Remove the protective cover from the new blade. Insert the new blade into the housing with the sharp point down. The magnet in the housing will hold the new blade in place. And the last step, insert the blade housing into your machine. That's all there is to it. How often you need to change your blade will depend on each crafter. If you craft a lot, you will be replacing it more often. If you are an occasional crafter, you wouldn't need to replace it that often. I change mine between once a month to once in 3 months, depending on the work I do. Replacing the blade in your Cricut machine is a quick and easy process that will help your machine always work at its best. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have any questions, leave your comments below. Happy crafting, my friends!